Welcome all of you. Today we learn about the cultivation of Safed Musli. See the crop of Safed Musli, and this is the roots of Safed Musli. We start from its botanical name. Its botanical name Chlorophytum boreviatum, family Liliaceae, origin India, plant part with its root. See the images and different stages of Safed Musli crop. These roots, leaves, then length of the sapetmutli roots, then some important medicinal properties and uses of sapetmutli crop. First, the major component of sapet muesli are carbohydrates, that is 41%, protein 8 to 9%, saponin 2 to 17%, and root fiber 4%. Second, saponin is the chief medicinal component present in root. Third, the roots of sapet muesli are well known tonic. Fourth, it has key application in the care of general disability by caring as an aphrodisiac. Fifth, it has also been used in the treatment of rheumatism and the leaves for vegetable purpose in central India. Soil requirement for the cultivation of Safed Musali crop. First, it can be grown in a variety of soil ranging from loamy to sandy loam, heavy, good drain soil. Second, it gives best result when grown under red soil rich in organic matter. Third, it can tolerate mountain slope or slopy land. Fourth, avoid cultivation in waterlogged condition. Fifth, heavy black soil is not suitable for cultivation of Safed Musali. Then sixth, the soil having pH ranges from 6.5 to 8.5 is best for plant grown for Safed Musali crop. Then climatic requirement for cultivation of Safed Musli. For the vegetative growth and flesh root development, it facilitated by warm and humid weather with sufficient amount of moisture during the growing period. Second, it requires about 15 to 35 degrees Celsius temperature for the growth of Safed Musli. Then third, annual rainfall is about 15 to 150 centimeter required for the growth of Safed Musli crop. Then fourth, sowing temperature required should be in between, that is 30 to 35 degrees Celsius is required for the growth of Safed Musli. Then varieties of Safed Musli, that is RC dash 2, RC dash 16, RC dash 36, RC 20, RC dash 23, RC 37, and CT dash 1. These varieties are maintained and collected by RU Udaipur, that is Rajasthan University Udaipur. Then they are found in good yield and high saponin content. Second, MDB dash 13 and MDB dash 14. Then third, Jawar Saped Musli 405 and Raj Vijay Saped Musli 414, raised by Rajmata. The next, time of sowing and spacing of Saped Musli. The optimum time of planting Saped Musli from June to August month. Second, it should be made sure that the crown is at the upper side of the tuber and non-crown part of the up at a downside. That is, tuber should be slanting position. Third, the seed is to be sown half inch deep in the soil and covered by soil by hand so as not to cause any damage to it. Then spacing, developing up to plant growth habit, use spacing of 10 inches by 12 inches. Quantity of the seed needed for sowing, that is 450 kg, that is kilograms, that is kg, that is 13,000 to 35,000 fingers are required as per acre. Then seed treatment, to protect crop from insect pest diseases, that the treatment of fungicide and growth promoter are done. Treatment with fumicide at the rate 5 ml in 1 liter of water and dithium 45 at the rate 5 gram per liter is done to protect from the soil borne diseases. After chemical treatment, use seed for sowing. Then preparation of beds for like any tuber species that is Saped Musul is better cultivation in rice bed. The bed are to be prepared along with the slope of the land, proper surface water runoff. Then when beds are raised halfway through add 100 grams of single super phosphate, 50 kilogram that is 50 kg of muriate of potash, bone meal, then 100 kg bone meal and micronutrients as per the requirement are to be applied per acre. Then the beds are to be raised to fully height. Therefore, drip lines are to be placed on the middle of each raised bed. The inline dippers are of 3 liters per hour capacity and placed 1.5 feet apart so as to wet the bed evenly. Irrigation to be given to the bed before sowing of the tuber. Then last important point, that is harvesting. Harvesting the crop mature in about 3 months after planting. At maturity, the leaves become yellowish and ultimately dry up from the collar part and fall down. These are the maturity indices of Sapid Musuli crop. Then the crop should be harvested when leaves have dried, which take place in the month of September October. Then yield, on an average yield of Sapid Musuli crop, that is 200, that is sorry 20, that is 200, sorry 2000 kg of flesh roots per hectare can be obtained, which may be yield up to 400 kg of dry Sapid Musuli. Means 400 kg dry Sapid Musuli, which is obtained from, that is 20 100, that is 20,000, that is 2000 kg of fresh root. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you all of you.